Hey guys, it's Ben here from Wrench Benders. I recently installed two Vixen Air 5-gallon 9-port tanks on my International Lodestar to control my air ride and of course my air horn. So let's take a look at it and show you guys what I got. So I'm laying underneath the truck, and there you can see the one tank with the dump valve on it to clean it out, and then there's the other tank. They're mounted parallel with each other inside the frame. Kind of a tight spot, but having 10 gallons of air has really helped with the volume of me being able to control my air suspension on the back of the truck and my air horn. These tanks are rated for 200 PSI and have absolutely been able to handle anything I've been able to throw at them. And being as how I do have an air horn and I do air the bags up and down on this truck quite a bit, it is able to hold enough volume for me to do that several times before the compressors have to pump it back up. So if you guys are looking for a tank to hold your air storage on your air ride vehicle, I highly recommend the Vixen Air tanks. They come in multiple different sizes to suit the needs of your particular air ride setup, and they're well made, can handle 200 PSI. And they have absolutely done everything I need for my Lodestar project.